Morning students, today we will learn about consistent and inconsistent system of linear equation. Linear equation can be divided into two parts, consistent and inconsistent. Consistent linear equation are those which possess solution. Solution exists, then they are called consistent. This solution can be one or more than one. Inconsistent equation, when solution does not exist, or you can say no solution. If it has no solution, then they are called inconsistent. So consistent equation are those in which we have determinant of A not equal to 0. Actually, we have two cases from now, so we will divide it into two parts. So the first is one solution, which is also known as unique solution, or infinite solution. So consistent equation can be of two types, having one solution or having more than one, यानी कि infinite solution. Solution is one or unique if determinant of A is not equal to 0. What is A? When we are given linear equation, then the coefficient matrix A is what? It is coefficient matrix. So if the determinant of coefficient matrix is not 0, then there is one solution. That means x, y, z, whatever the variables are, each has one value. So we can solve it. Infinite solution is when determinant of A becomes 0. If determinant of A is 0, then we calculate adjoint of A into B. If this is also 0, if both these conditions hold, then we say that the equation has infinite solution. Now the no solution case. No solution happens when determinant of A is 0 and adjoint of A into B is not 0. If these two conditions are true for a given system of linear equations, then they are called inconsistent, having no solution. So linear equations are consistent or inconsistent according to the solution. If there is a solution, whether it is one or more, then they are called consistent. If the linear equation does not have any solution, they are called inconsistent. So how to solve them? For any system of linear equation, we find A, the coefficient matrix, and then we find determinant of A. If determinant of A is non-zero, then that means the system of equation has a solution which is unique. So if determinant of A is non-zero, then unique solution happens. If determinant of A is 0, then we check adjoint of A into B. If adjoint of A into B is also 0, if both these values are 0, then also solution exists, and that solution is infinite. That means there are infinite values of x and y which satisfy the given equation. And if determinant of A is 0 but adjoint of A into B is not 0, then that is the case of no solution. That means the given equation are not solvable for any value of x, y and z. So this is the case when you are asked about consistent and inconsistent, you have to find these values: determinant of A, adjoint of A into B. Then you can check which of these three happens, so you can tell the condition of consistency. Thank you.